Hi, baby. Hi, baby. So cute.
The basement cat is not going to save you. And you definitely aren't going to be able to roll a perfect 20 on this one to get saved. And women's lingerie. It's for easy clean.
Oh, we've got some great noodle eating going on now. Oh, fantastic. Look at that boy in the middle. He's using both hands. Oh, wait. She's using one hand and getting twice as much in her mouth. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wait. Is something stuck in your tooth? Oh, it's your lung. Oh, fantastic. Oh, are we having problems at the end there? Just open your mouth wider. No, wider. Don't even use your teeth. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Oh yes, this is great. We've got almost one down. Yes, oh yes, use it. Full hand. Yes. Oh, I think he's eating his pinky.
Yeah.
I am so glad I'm not intern.
So, anybody want to take bets who's going to drop off next?
That dude right there.
Yeah.
Never underestimate a furry.
You go for the guy in the white? It's a girl, actually. Oh, that's Wednesday. Oh, here we go. All right. We are upping the ante too because we're shortening the time.